Welcome back my money champs. Today, we are going to learn how to plan our goals. Like real smart savers. Gulla says, without a plan, even the biggest dreams stay dreams. Let's make our dreams possible. A goal is something you want and something you are willing to save for. A goal gives you direction, like a map guiding your money. There are two main types of goals. Short-term goals, small things you want soon. Long-term goals, big things that take time. To make a good goal, we use something called SMART goals. But don't worry, Gulla made a special version that you can understand easily. S means simple. M means measurable. A means achievable. R means relevant. T means time-bound. Let's look at a real example. Tara wanted a drawing kit. So she set this SMART goal. Simple. Buy a drawing kit. Measurable. Costs 300 rupees. Achievable. Save 30 rupee per week. Relevant. Helps me practice art. Time-bound. 10 weeks. Arav wanted a sports kit. He made his plan like this. Simple. Buy a sports kit. Measurable. Costs 600 rupees. Achievable. Save 50 rupee per week. Relevant. Helps me practice cricket. Time-bound. 12 weeks. Big goals can feel scary. But when we break them into small steps, they become easy and fun. A goal board helps you remember your dream daily. Just draw your goal. Write your steps. And track your progress. Some days you may feel like giving up. That's normal. But your small efforts every week bring you closer to your dream. And Gulla will always cheer for you. You learned how to set SMART goals. You saw how Arav and Tara planned their dreams. And now you can plan your own. Draw your own goal. Write the SMART steps. And decide how much you will save every week. Let's see your dream take shape.